Mammy said she hit the road and never once looked back. Now I just thought I'd mention that my grandma's on no pension. It's the reason why I'm standing here today. I got all my country learning, just a milking and a churning, picking cotton, raising hell, baling hay. I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. They don't read me or treat me this way. I'm going to Sweet Carolina. I don't guess I'll ever find another woman put together like you are. I love your wiggle and your walking, you're a big city talking, and your brand new shiny Plymouth ragtop car.
Well, it's here real bring weight and it's road to the take. Two pancakes, big waves, to my soul, yeah, I hear the music blowing. Then I know we get to
I've been to Georgia on a fast train, honey. I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. Ain't no reason you all be treating me this way. Honey, I wasn't born no yesterday. Got a good Christian raising and an 8th grade education. There ain't no reason y'all be treating me this way. There ain't no reason y'all be treating me this way.